Hello there, glad to have you with us in a wonderful relationship once more. Today, we're diving into a topic that many people find intimidating: human skin. Either you're just at the beginning of your dating experience or you're looking for better communication with someone close to your heart. It is a great signal to understand where and how to touch a woman for the first time. Now let us dive into these 7 locations where you can place your hands without being totally creepy, leaving her begging for more. Hello, everyone. Today, we're discussing the do's of non-creepy physical touch in this video. It is a fundamental rule to let tact help us to bring respect, thoughtfulness, and consent, particularly while we start contacting for the first time in touch. Now, if you are ready to learn 7 places that you can touch a woman and maintain your connection without going over the limits, then we may as well begin doing it then and there. Segment 1. Hand. So, first, the hand is an unobtrusive and universally appreciated way to start physical interaction. A gentle touch on the hand expresses friendship, care, and interest. This gesture is used when shaking hands, or a reassuring squeeze, or guiding her through a big crowd, and serves a purpose of making a connection without being intrusive. Segment 2. Lower back. The low back has another non-invasive place, which is great when a female touch a girl for the first time. Putting your hand on her lower back as you guide her through a door or lead her onto the dance floor could feel very natural and chivalrous. However, this touch should be brief and respectful. No pressure or prolonged staying is involved. Segment 3. Arm. A casual touch on the arm is a secret but effective way for communicating your interest while creating rapport. Whether you share a joke, make a compliment, or emphasize a point using words, lightly touching her hands in motion, gradually, may develop a moment of connection. Always be sensitive to them and be careful if they do welcome the touch. Segment 4. Shoulder. Touching her shoulder creates an impression of emotional closeness and sympathy. Light touches in times of laughing, empathy, or reassurance can let her know that she is not alone and you acknowledge her opinion without being an invasive factor. Segment 5. Upper back. Just like the lower back, the upper back is also a pathway to initiate non-intrusive physical touch. Gently tap her upper back at the initial touch to send her a message of care, encouragement, or an appreciation. Touching her upper back artfully when motivating her or congratulating her on an achievement will make her feel supported and reassured. Segment 6. Forearm. I have to say that the wrist is the most delicate yet subtle place to touch a woman for the first time. It's as if you are embracing her with your fingertips. A light brush, a rest of your hand on her wrist while she is speaking, can create a moment of connection and emphasis. Be mindful and make sure that she is comfortable with your touch and is a respondent. Segment 7. Cheek, with caution. Ultimately, brushing her cheek could be both sweet and a way of being affectionate between 2 people who have already built a strong friendship. It is only suitable if you've built a level of trust and comfort between you two to show that she is important to you. Be careful and read her signals before doing so. Well, that's it, and that's all, people. You started your first date 2 hours ago at a romantic coffee shop, and now you are looking for non-creepy touches to use to help bond with the girl. In fact, the important thing for a physical touch is to ask for approval, take into account someone's feelings, and show some respect. Actually, the next time you want to initiate a contact, keep in mind these tips to develop it into the mutual joyous and meaningful connections. If you liked this episode, please make sure to click on the like button and hit subscribe for more dating advice and relationship guidance. If you have any queries, or you have something to share, don't hesitate to leave it down in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and take care.